Welcome back. Breaking news coming in. Pro-Khalistan posters have been spotted in Sirsa in Haryana. This has been reported from the markets of Kelanwali area in Sirsa. Police have in fact registered a case against unidentified persons and further investigation is on. Remember, these are pro-Khalistan and Khalistani posters that have been spotted in a market area in Sirsa in Haryana. Before we get you a quick live update, listen in to what the police has had to say.
आज कालांवाली शहर में सुबह सुबह सूचना मिली थी कि कुछ जगहों पे कुछ ऐसे पोस्टर्स लगे हुए हैं जो कुछ धार्मिक सौहार्द को बिगाड़ सकते हैं। तो इसलिए प्रबंधक थाना कालांवाली और डीएसपी डब्बावाली और मैं राजेश डीएसपी सिरसा हम सारे वहाँ पहुँच गए थे। तो पोस्टर्स वहाँ से सुबह ही हटा दिए गए थे और उसमें एफआईआर दर्ज करके इन्वेस्टिगेशन अभी शुरू कर दी गई है और उसमें क्राइम की टीम, साइबर सेल और हमारे लोकल जो पुलिस है, एसएचओ, सिक्योरिटी इंचार्ज, वो सारे लगाए हैं। संभावना है कि जल्दी ही इसमें कुछ ना कुछ वर्कआउट करेंगे।
Colleague Amandeep is tracking the latest on this developing story. Amandeep, what more are you picking up? Has there been any advancement as far as the investigation is concerned? Has police been able to gather any more clues on who's behind this?
Yes, Shivani, police have constituted the teams and even they are investigating, conducted a thorough investigation against this incident just because these posters are very serious. Tomorrow, 6th of June, is the Operation Blue Star anniversary. So that's why these pro-Khalistani and hardliner people are putting out such kind of activities to make them visible in this entire incident. Just because these are the people who are strictly taken by the Punjab government. So that's why now they are opting for the Haryana, that Sirsa area is adjoining to Punjab, on the border of the Punjab. In fact, there's certain people who used to travel every day. So this area is now selected. In fact, now Haryana police is also procuring the data of the antisocial elements, to pro-Khalistanis who can be involved into such kind of activities. In fact, cyber team is also involved and teams have been constituted by the Sirsa police to nail down these people who are behind this, just because these kind of activities are not tolerable in the entire nation. Look, Pro-Khalistani is a banned organization. There are certain organizations who are passively working in Punjab and several parts of Haryana also. Just 2 days back, if you remember, there is a pro-Khalistani and hardliner young boy Tajinder was arrested by the Punjab police. He was also planning something big. There are certain kind of Punjab police uniforms and fake ID cards of ITBP and Sena Suraksha Bal was also recovered from his possession. In fact, a Chinese pistol, a banned weapon, was also recovered from his possession. So such kind of activities are being done by these pro-Khalistani and hardliners just to put out their own visibility, just to put out their own identity that yes, they are still alive, they are still working on this movement. So this is not tolerable and police is taking very hard against them, and in fact a thorough investigation is being conducted. In fact, the Punjab police will also intervene into this just because this is the movement which has been initiated 6 years back from Punjab, and the roots are still in Punjab. So now Punjab and Haryana police might get in the coordination to nail the accused behind this scene. Yes, Shivani.
Amandeep, appreciate you joining us and giving us the latest as far as this update is concerned. We'll keep coming back to you for more. Haryana and Punjab police are both set to look into this matter as the Golden Temple Operation Blue Star anniversary is also approaching tomorrow. We'll leave it at that. A quick check of the stories that are lined up on the other side of a very short break.